Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, The Rich Post. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful e-commerce admin dashboard template with lots of feature and fully responsive. Also, if you want this dashboard, then just email me or WhatsApp me via my number. Here's my blog, therichpost.com. Contact us page. In this page, you'll get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and Upwork ID as well. You can hire me for your services as well. This is my blog. Also, you will get multiple free things on my blog. Now back to dashboard demo. See, e-commerce admin dashboard. The beautiful top section. See, and the toggle sidebar as well. It's just beautiful. The content section. See guys, the stats card, revenue, orders, customer, and average order value. Scroll a bit down, see the sales overview chart and the order status with details as well. Recent order table, top selling products, scroll to top button, inventory alerts, recent customers, understand customers, new and returning customers as well, chart, sales category and footer. Scroll top, so we see the beautiful e-commerce admin dashboard for you, fully responsive. And also one more thing, see, you can see the add product button, and now click on it and see the add new product pop-up open. The beautiful form, see guys. Just brilliant for you. And also, again I must say, if you want to hire me on or want this dashboard, just email me or ping me via my WhatsApp and email ID. And after it, I will come more demos, and in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.